Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your EARFUN Free Pro 3 are charging? If you want to check it for the charging case, at the back side of the case we have USB-C port, so we need to connect this charging case to the power. Let's do this. And if you see the LED light on the front side, meaning that your charging case are charging. Now, if you want to check it for the earbuds, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, and once we did it, as you can see, we have red LED light, meaning that your earbuds start charging. And also for the left one. We cannot use an application to check it, so if we open it right here, we have no lightning bolts near to the charging case. Let's check near to the earbuds. Let's check for the charging case. But as I remember, also no lightning bolt here. Yeah, so only these options what I tell you. But also you can check how much battery you have right now, then charge the charging case or earbuds or both, and then check is the battery level changed. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!